Yes guys, welcome back man. It's been a minute, it's been a good while. I haven't posted maybe like in about 2 weeks now. But anyway, tonight your boy is in the kitchen again. You know what I mean? I'm my favorite place, not true. Yeah, but favorite spot. So anyway, tonight I'm gonna do some Jamaican style kidney. You know what I mean? Everybody can testify about kidney, yes. Good something to eat. You know what I mean? And it tasty. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna do for you guys tonight some dumpling. I think I have 2 cocoa too. So yeah, so dumpling and cocoa and kidney. You know what I mean? So without no further ado, man, so let me show you the main ingredients. We're gonna make my kidney. Yes guys, so these are the main ingredients. You know what I mean? Natural season over here on this side to my left, and over here are my seasons. Okay, so we have browning. Can't do kidney without browning. And we have some onion powder, we have some garlic powder, and we have some regular garlic as well. We have some Cajun season, and we have some slap your mama, and we have some seasoned salt. You know what I mean? So that's it. Over here now we got 3 color bell peppers. You know what I mean? We have original habanero pepper, hot like fire. And over here we have our green onions and our thyme, regular onions. And of course, over there we got the green bell pepper. You know what I mean? Because when you're cooking, you have to go for the colors. You know what I mean? Because you have to eat with your eye. You have to make the food look appealing. You know what I mean? So over here in the bowl, we have the kidney already cleaned up, cut up, and all that. So I'm just gonna get ready now to go ahead with the whole seasoning process of my kidney. So I know my daughter at work now and she can't wait to come home, come dig in at some kidney. You know what I mean? She made that request and I said, alright, I'm going to just oblige and just do it for her. So, without no further ado, let's get rolling. Yes guys, so I'm going to go ahead now and start the seasoning process. I'm just going to freestyle the seasoning. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do some free measurement. I ain't going to use no measurement, so I'm going to go ahead and go with a teaspoon of the Cajun seasoning. Alright, that should be it. Let's see, I ain't using no measurement. So I got to talk it out. So I'm going in now with the slap your mama. So if you following the process, you can just go ahead and get your measurement. Cause what I'm going to do, I'm going to put half a teaspoon in each seasoning. So half teaspoon, slap your mama. Then half teaspoon seasoned salt. Half teaspoon onion powder. Now go in for the garlic powder. Same thing, half teaspoon. And that should be it for the season. So now I'm going to add the Grace browning. Alright, we're going to apply it with corks now. So with this amount of kidney, it's going to take maybe like about 2 cork full. So we're going to go ahead with 1. One cork. Go ahead for the second. Come on, my nerves getting bad. Getting all the things straight. Alright, so that's the second one. So what we're going to do now, go ahead and rinse out your cap. Because if you don't rinse your cap out, it's going to mess up the whole bottle. So I'm going to go ahead. I think I'm going to go ahead and rinse the cork. Let me rinse the cork. I was going to tip a little bit more in there, but no. I'm just going to rinse the cork out. So, you rinse your cork. should be it. Alrighty, so that's it. So like my natural seasoning, I'm gonna do those after. If you notice, I don't use no salt because all the seasoning contain salt. So I'm gonna go ahead and get me a spoon. Never take a spoon or a fork out your cupboard or your drawers without washing them. Alright, so this one too big. This one ain't working, so alright. We have something that's not gonna work. Alright. We got something else that gonna work, so this one almost don't work. Alright, so we got 2 garlic cloves right here. Clock, put down. And we're gonna rest this right here for the cutting up. So we're gonna get a knife. No, I ain't gonna use that knife. Let me put back this knife. I ain't gonna use this knife. That's a bread knife. Don't tell me how my knife got that little. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna slice this up in it. You know what I mean? Dice him real thin. Yes. When you're eating a piece of this go in your mouth, woo! That's just pure love. That's pure love you're going to be chewing on. And remember, you can't go wrong with garlic. Garlic good for you. Garlic fight every ailment out there is. Tell your doctor say, I say that. Yes, so, alright. So we're going to put that little love in it. So, then now, I'm going to combine all these ingredients together. Yes. Ooh. Everything just perfect. You didn't want no more brown into it. It's perfect. And everything evenly cut. We're going to make sure everything evenly seasoned. So we're going to spin them up a couple of times and make sure everything good. All right. So that should be that. So we're going to put them aside and we're going to get our grease hot now, and then we just continue. So I'm going to go ahead and get my pot prepared and ready. So stick and stay with me. Yes guys, so this is a brand new pot, never used, brand new. Look at it. If you all like it, just leave a comment in the comment section. Brand new pot, brand new. When I go in the store and I see this, I said, My team roaming with the Bennetts, they want to see me do something in this. So guess what? We just take it home. We take it home with us. Look how cute she is. Ooh, I just imagine myself some curry chicken in this, some something in this or something. But my kidney first it. So alright, we're gonna go ahead now and put some grease and get her on the way. Let me make sure I just rinse him out, make sure everything alright, and we will be right back. Alright people, so the pot hot. So I'm going to go ahead and drop a little bit of grease in it. You don't really want too much. Yes, and that should do it. Just a little bit to cover the bottom. Yes, so just a little bit to cover the bottom. Yes. So as soon as that heat up, I will be back with you guys. Alright people, before we do all that, we're gonna wash the thyme, my bad, I said scallion. The thyme, we're gonna wash it and we're gonna dice it up. We're gonna cut it up in this because I like when I like to do it with it inside there. So we're gonna put in the flavor in it. Take away the big stick part. We don't need that. Yes, so we wash it already. So we're gonna put it in there now. All right. All right, so we're gonna go ahead now and stir this up. All right, so I think this is already hot now. So yes people, so I thought my camera was running but it worked. I'm so sorry, but I just put it in the pot and that's it you're looking at right there. Look at that. Huh? That's just pure love. Pure love. Jamaican style kidney. You just gonna stir them up and make sure everybody find their rightful place. So you just gonna leave him like that. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna cover him down yet. I'm gonna leave him like that. So he gives me a good little sear, you know what I mean? Give me a good little sear. So I will be right back, my people. Okay, my viewers. Alright. So I'm back. So that's what's going on in the pot now. So reach the time now where I put in all my seasoning. Yes, I'm going to put in my seasoning now. So I'm going to get some water in the bowl. Here it is. Everything. Green onion, bell peppers, habanero pepper, and that's it. Everything. Look at that. Just loving it. Yes, so I'm going to get me some water in it. Alright, so we're going. Alright, I got the video with use the camera with one hand, hold it with the other, but anyway, we're working alright. Oh, that's pretty, don't it? Look at that. Pretty. Pretty like hell. Yes, so what I'm gonna do now is just keep this now a medium flame, and let me get the cover now. Hold on, seems like everything is not organized. This camera keep going all over the place. Yes, so that's it right there now. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the cover. Alright, so lid on. So when I come back, it should be in an advanced stage, almost cooked. So when I come back. Alright, my people. Ooh, put it back a little bit over this cover. Alright, so the simmering are going on now. Simmer down nice and lovely. Yeah man, it must simmer down nice and lovely, man. Simmering down nice and lovely. Yeah. Nice and lovely. We don't want no whole heap of water upon him, you know. So we want him go right down there. Right down there. As Spice would have said, why not go down there? Yeah, right down there we want it go. Yeah, man. Alright, my people. Welcome back. Just ease away a little bit. Ease away a little bit from some of the steam. Alright, that's what's going on in the pot. Next door is my dumpling and my coke already. So this ready right where it's at. I don't want to go down no further. It's okay right there. So let me cover him up. Turn him off. And that's it for the boy kidney. So when I come back, I'm going to be plating him up. And you guys will see. Alright, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Alright, see it there? That is your kidney. And we just put 2 dumplings beside it. Yes. So when my daughter come, she mats it up just like that. You know what I mean? We don't want to overdo it, so we just put 2 dumplings on the plate. But anyway, guys, remember, if you're new to the channel, just hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, so anytime I upload another video, you will be notified. Yes, and hit the like button, because when you hit the like button, you do a lot for the video and also the channel. So just help in the process of making the channel grow and just help with my motivation overall, you know what I mean, to motivate me to put out more beautiful content of this nature, you know what I mean. So until then, my beautiful viewers and subscribers, you know what I mean, I'm out.